You are welcome to this video. Let's see one of the most important aspects that will help us in identifying vulnerabilities. Let's check out how to know the versions of services running on an open port. Version discovery helps us a lot. For example, if we know the version of Apache running on a web server, we can take that version to the internet to check if that particular version is vulnerable. So this is where version discovery is very important. So let's find out how to know the version of services that are running. To see the versions of services running on our Metasploit table, we're going to use nmap-sv. So we type nmap-sv, then the IP address of our Metasploit table, and I'm going to hit enter. There's something new which we have here, which is different from our previous scans. In the previous scans, we've got the port, the state, and the services that are running on them. Now we have the version of the services or software that are running on our Metasploit table. For the FTP, we'll see the version here. For the SSH, this is the version OpenSSH 4.7 Debian Ubuntu. For the HTTP, we have Apache 2.2.8, and for the TCP port 445 and port 139, we have Samba and version 3 point something to 4 point something. So you already know what we're going to use with this version. For example, if I want to know if this Apache version is vulnerable, I'm going to copy it and take it to Google and search vulnerabilities. From the result I get, I will be able to know if this version is vulnerable or not. Another scan I can do here is version intensity. If I recall, and here I'm going to say -- version intensity, and here we have between level 0 and 9. So 9 is the highest, so I can choose 9 and I'll go and hit enter to scan. And the scan is completed. You will see that we have the same result. Down here, it says service detection performed. So you can see that we have exactly the same result. So the default level is 7. This scan we did here, we didn't specify any level, so it was scanned using level 7. So when you go as high as using level 9, it will tend to discover the most correct versions of the services that are running. The reason why I set this up to level 9 is that I want to have the possibilities of identifying the correct version of services that are running. So, but if you don't specify, it's going to scan using level 7, which is the default. So if you set it to level 9, it will take more time to scan. So on an average, the default level is okay. because most of the time this level is not needed in Nmap scan. So if I open a new terminal and I go to manual Nmap, here you can see the versions here. We have service/version detection. This is the one we just used, and you can see it's set from 0 light to 9. It try all probes. So we also have version light, version all, and version trace. So these are some of the scan you can try depending on what you want to achieve. I want to show you another option that is very powerful. This one is -A. So I get rid of everything here and I impute -A. This -A enables OS detection. It also enables version detection, and a third one, Nmap script scanning. Make sure you don't use this option on a network you are not authorized to scan. You can also try this on your own home network. So I'm going to hit enter. This may take some time to scan. Aside the ports, the state, service, and version, you're also getting different scripts that are running on the target. So for TCP, we have SSH host key, and for TCP 25, we have this. Now, despite seeing VSF TPD 2.3.4 secured, fast, and stable, I'll be able to show you that this is not secured as we progress into the videos. Coming down to this place, we will see also that the scan detected the OS details, which is Linux 2.6.9 to 2.6.33, network distance 1 hop, the service info, host metasploitable local domain, host script result, SMB security model, account use blank, and SMB OS discovery, OS Unix Samba 3.0.29 Debian, computer name metasploitable, NetBIOS computer name, domain name local domain, metasploitable local domain. So these are some of the results we are not able to get in our previous scan. Down here we have the trace route, the IP address. -A gives us most results from all the previous scans we've done previously, but you should also know that it can also be detected, so you have to do this on a host which you are authorized to do so. And again, metasploitable doesn't have some security such as firewall behind it, so for such a case, -A is a good option when scanning. That's all for this video. I will see you